Dear Pictorians, in the last lesson I have shown how to edit videos, add new videos according to the scenes. In this lesson I'll show you how to add audio or background music to your video. When you click on audio on the side panel, you'll come to the background music section, and here you can choose your music. You have options like mood, purpose, genre and duration, so you can filter out according to your choice. You can choose your own music. There are 15,000 plus tracks available. You can choose your music which is aligned to your video. If you see something new, and here you can see N, that means Pictory has updated and added some new features here. That is why it's showing new, and here in brief it is showing as N. So let's see how can we choose our music. Pictory by default has chosen one background music, like it's hard climb, and it's showing as applied. And you can search here your own music. If you know a name like Turkish Secret, you can write here Turkish Secret, press enter, so it will come like this. Or if you like genres such as horror, you can filter out only the horror music tracks. And then if you like this music, Darkest Depths, you can press apply here, and then it will be added to your video. If you want the music duration which is more than 3 minutes, then you just click on the bar and select 3 minutes. Then it will show the music tracks which are more than 3 minutes. Here you can see 3:19, 3:18, the duration are 3:12, more than 3 minutes. And then you can clear from here, or you can press clear all the filters. Okay, I'm clearing it. And the purpose, can use the purpose filter, such as if you want something called 50s, 60s, 70s, and like luxury, retro, magical, supernatural, you can apply your filter like this. And mood, passionate, gentle, hopeful, they're fun, emotional. So on the basis of mood, you can choose, you can filter out your list of musics. Here the most recent used music tracks will show. You can find the recently used background musics. These are the background musics I have used, so it's very convenient to choose here. If you like the Moroccan Messenger, so I can use here from apply, and if I like the Epitome, then I can use apply. In other way, you can also save your chosen background music. For example, if you like Coastal Haze, then you can press here to add to your favorite, and it will come here, Coastal Haze. It is showing here. You can press apply to your video, and if you want to remove from this list, then you can press again here, and it will be moved from here. You can see it's not here anymore. So this is how you can choose your background music. So you can increase, decrease the background music volume, and it is written as N, and this is the new one. Here background music volume is showing 100%. You can change it. You can also upload your own background music. I have not used it, that's why it's not showing anything. If you want to import background music from computer or different location, you can import. Here I want to show you one thing. Here it's written only MP3 and WAV formats are accepted, so you have to be careful. You can use only MP3 and WAV formatted files. This is very flexible and very useful way of using background music. One thing I need to share with learners, in each of the scenes you cannot choose different music, because you see this is one music background I have selected the Moroccan Messenger. If I go back to story, if I select scene 3, and if I select another music, walkway, and go back to story. So if I play the scene 1, you can see it was a different music, and when I change this in scene 3, all 17 scenes have taken the same music track. If I play scene 15, you can see you can hear the same music track, but we expect that Pictory will change this, because if I choose one music track in scene 1 and another is in scene 2, we cannot do this. So the same music track is playing on each of the scenes, which is kind of disadvantage. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you.